Welcome to our video on how to stop the daily limit on Facebook. If you've been using Facebook's time management features but now want to remove those restrictions, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off your daily limit, giving you unrestricted access to your Facebook feed once again. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. You'll see the familiar blue interface with your news feed. Look for the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open up a list of options. Now, scroll down through this menu until you find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the submenu that appears. This will take you to the main settings page for your Facebook account. In the Settings menu, you'll see various categories. Look for the section labeled Preferences, and find the option that says Your Time on Facebook. Tap on this to access your time management settings. Once you're in the Your Time on Facebook section, you'll see an option called Manage Your Time. Tap on this, and you'll be presented with several time management tools. Look for the Daily Limit option and tap on it. Here's where you'll make the change. You'll see a toggle switch or a drop-down menu for the daily limit. Simply choose Off, or switch the toggle to the off position. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting this screen, and there you have it. You've successfully turned off the daily limit on Facebook. Now you can browse your feed without any time restrictions. Remember, while it's great to have unrestricted access, it's always a good idea to be mindful of your screen time for your overall well-being. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.